Good morning. This is Mrs. Carr. How y'all doing today? Today is Tuesday, April 28th, and we are here for your rundown in science. So yesterday we started talking about structures and functions. So just as a reminder from yesterday, remember structure is the physical part of the body or plant, big part body. That applies to plants too. And function is what the purpose of that body part. So yesterday we looked at the structure of webbed feet on ducks, and the function of those webbed feet, or the purpose rather, is so that to help it swim. It's an adaptation that they use to help them swim better. All right, so what are we doing today? We're going to watch this video about some claws, feet, and animal adaptations. Okay, so ooh, that looks fun. Ooh, San Diego Zoo. I think you're going to have a good time with that. And then after you watch that video, you're going to read about some caribou. Okay, so click on that, open that up. Okay, and you can see this is actually not too long. A nice paragraph there, and then a couple of captions there, and some more pictures. And caribou are very similar to reindeer, so this is pretty cool. This would be good to be doing. All right, and then you're going to use that article, this woodland creature article, woodland caribou, sorry. So I would definitely keep that article up. And oh, sorry, you can download it if you don't like this view, or you can print it if you have a printer access, but certainly not necessary. But anyways, you're going to keep that tab open so that to help you answer the discussion questions in Schoology. So that means you're going to come back to Schoology. And this is Mondays, but obviously on Tuesday, you're going to see the discussion post right here. You need to click on it, answer the questions. Just as a reminder, guys, of how to post, and let's go back out real quick. Okay, guys, just a quick reminder too of how I would post in the comment section. So I want to click on inside that comment box. And you can type here, but if you want, remember, you can click on this little microphone looking guy and then click on audio, and you can tell me your answers. You don't have to type it. You can record your answers, especially if you're wanting to be thorough with your explanation so that it's not taking an entire paragraph. Okay, you can click here, and then it's going to have you insert it. Also, real quick, some of you have seen the little periods. Notice how it's gray. You see how it's grayed out here? You cannot post until you actually type something in there. So if you do a audio recording, you need to do your audio recording, and then you still need to type a little period or a comma or something, or a hello, something like that, and then it'll turn green so that you can post it. Also, if you did it on if you're taking a picture of something, and then you can open up your file once you've loaded it into your computer, and I would ask an adult for help with this. But once you load it into your computer, you can find it here and post it that way. You would just double click on it here. And again, you do need to make sure you have something in the box, or else it won't, it'll be a grayed out version. So anyway, so that is for your discussion post, for answering on your discussion post. Just as a reminder, please make sure you're going back either in the evening or later in the afternoon or the very next morning to check on that feedback from your teacher. Your teacher is providing feedback for every single post, so please make sure you are checking that out so you know if you are on the right track, if you need to clarify, anything of that sort. All right, and then after you've answered that, you're going to come over here and it says look at the table and the link below to test your skills. So you're going to go ahead and click on this activity. Okay, and then it is just this one page, and if you want to look, and so then here it says you're going to, these tracks were most likely made by, you're going to fill in the blank over here, and so how does it move? And then what environment would it be best suited for? And if you're doing that activity, make sure you're taking a picture of it and sharing it with your teacher. You can share it through Remind. You can share it through email. You can share it in the discussion post as a file that I just showed you. There are several ways to do that. All right, guys, as always, if you have questions, let us know over here on Microsoft Teams. Or you can, as usual, you can still do the little envelope button for questions there as well. So please make sure you are taking care of your business, guys. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye.